Konnichiwa, Toreishi desu. This is your motivational study break with My Nihongo lessons. Each video helps you complete one step in the Marugoto Rikai textbook series. Minasan, konnichiwa. Today we're working on vocabulary for lesson 3. This is found in your Rikai textbook. How do you greet people when you meet them for the first time? Okay, when I meet somebody for the first time in English, I might offer my hand to shake their hand, but what might I do in Japanese? And what do you talk about when you meet people for the first time? You might talk about where you're from, languages that you speak, what your job is. So in this section, this lesson, we are going to be working on all these things that we might use when we're talking to somebody for the first time. So today, let's work on the vocabulary that we will need for the rest of this lesson. Use your Goicho word book to complete this chart. Use the flags and the map and your word book to help you determine what language is spoken in each of these countries. If you don't have your Goicho word book, please reach out to me and I'll make sure you have your copy. Ready? Pause here and complete this assignment. Okay, ready? Let's check your work.
1、日本語。2、ドイツ語。3、中国語。4、アラビア語。5、韓国語。6、英語。
How did you do? What did you write for number 7? 私の国。国, country. 私の国, my country. What did you write? For me, I would write America, and the language where I live, I would write 英語. Now, technically, the United States does not have an official language. So, write down the country where you live and the language that you use. What is it in Japanese? 日本語で何ですか? Use your Goicho word book to identify the occupation of each person. Let's read the word box first. Ready? 学生、教師、主婦、会社員、公務員、engineer. Okay, ready? Pause here, and then we'll check your answers. Ready? Let's check your answers.
1、会社員。2、教師。3、学生。4、主婦。5、公務員。6、エンジニア。
How did you do? What is your occupation? Check your Goicho word book for more jobs. If your occupation is not listed, please message me and I will help you find it. Now, which word is different? どれが違いますか? Use your Goicho word book to help you identify which word does not fit in the category as the other 3. So pause here and complete this. Okay, ready? Let's go over this together. Okay. どれが違いますか? 中国、韓国、ドイツ、エンジニア. The answer is D, engineer. The first 3 are countries. D is an occupation. Did you get that right? Probably. It was a sample sentence. All right, let's try number 2. 中国語、学生、アラビア語、英語. どれが違いますか? Which one is different? 学生 学生 is a student. The other three are languages. Number 3. Which is different? どれが違いますか? エジプト、会社員、主婦、教師。エジプト Egypto is a country. The other 3 are occupations. Number 4. オーストラリア、イギリス、アメリカ、日本。どれが違いますか? 日本。Now, why would Nihon be different? All 4 of these are countries. オーストラリア、イギリス、アメリカ、日本。It could perhaps be that Australia, Igris, America speak English. But like I said, in the United States, English is not an official language. Whereas in Japan, they speak Japanese. What's another thing that could be different about them? Australia, Igris, America must be written in katakana, whereas Nihon can be written in hiragana. And later we'll learn the kanji. どれが正しいですか? Which is correct? This time, you are looking at how the word is written in hiragana or katakana. You've learned this word so far in this lesson. So now let's look at how they are written. Which is correct? Pause here, and you may use your word book to help you identify the correct way of writing the word. Are you ready? Pause. Okay, let's check your work. 1. Which one is correct? 教師、きよし、きょし。The correct one is done for us. 教師、教師. Notice the glide, きょ. The yo is written at 1/4 the size of ki. Plus, we have a long o sound, so we need to add u. 教師. Number 2. 来語、添語、英語。どれが正しいですか? Which is correct? Okay. 英語、英語. So, ra, so, and e can look similar. So, make sure you understand the difference between those 3. Number 3. どれが正しいですか? エソジニア、エンジニア、エンジニア、エンジニア、エンジニア。Number 4. どれが正しいですか? Which is correct? 日本、本人、日本。どれが正しいですか? 日本、日本。は and ほ can look very similar. Make sure you remember which is which. All right, let's practice writing these words in hiragana and katakana. You may use your Goicho word book to check your answers, but first, let's listen and write. If you need to, you may use your hiragana and katakana charts as well.
1、学生。2、会社員。3、主婦。4、日本語。5、ドイツ語。
How did you do? Let's check your work while we listen again.
1、学生。2、会社員。3、主婦。4、日本語。5、 ドイツ語
How did you do? Did you remember to put the ten for the for the voice consonants? Now those little boxes were for the glides. Notice that they are just 1/4 the size of the regular box. So we need to make these small and lower. Right? So 会社員, right? 主婦. Notice number 5. ドイツ is written in katakana, but 語 is hiragana. How did you do? 皆さん、よくできました。Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. ありがとうございます。Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. またね!